let's start with chapter number 5, the mouse and the keyboard. So in this chapter, we will study about the mouse and the keyboard and some special keys. The two main parts of computer are mouse and keyboard, right? The mouse and the keyboard, they are the most important input device. So first start with mouse. Have you ever seen a mouse? This is a mouse, right? This is left button. This is right button. This is scroll wheel. And what we call it? A Y or a tail, right? So a mouse of a computer has a data card similar to a tail which looks like a real mouse. A computer mouse is used to move the pointer of the computer screen. It is used for selecting the item to draw a picture on the computer. You can also play games through it. So a mouse is a pointing device which is used to point a particular place on the monitor. So a commonly used mouse has two buttons on the top. The wire of a mouse is attached to the CPU. Now, right, we have parts of mouse, three parts, left button, right button and a scroll wheel. I have told you. Now let's study about the features. What are its features? Used to point, click, move and select any icon. Whenever you want to move, you want to select or you want to click, what do you use? Use mouse. A mouse has two or three buttons on it. A mouse also helps us to OK games, play games and draw picture. When you move the mouse pointer, also moves on the pointer screen. Now mouse pointer, you may see it is an arrow. Okay, on a computer screen, as you move the mouse pointer on the monitor also moves. So a mouse has a scroll wheel in the center of to move the page up and down. Now we have single click. What is single click? Single click means pressing the mouse button once. When we have left click to left click, we gently press and release the mouse button at first. It makes a clicking sound, right? Then we have right click to right click. You have to gently press and release the right mouse button once. It is generally display a list of commands. What we call it pop-up menu. Then we have double click. Double click means to press and release the left mouse button twice. It is used to open a file and a document on a computer. So double clicking the computer icons open. Whenever you will double click it, the folder or a file you want to open, it will get open. Then we have keyboards. What is keyboard? When we use our hand to it, like write letters and do many activities, in same way computer also need a device to get information. And what we call it? Keyboard. So keyboard, it is used to write words, letter and sentences. What are the features of keyboard? Keyboards looks like a Casio. It has many buttons, right? We have alphabetic key, which is in quadri form. We have numeric key, functional key, and some special keys like caps lock, enter key. Now, it is used to type letter, words, numbers. A standard keyboard has 104 key. We have three types of keys in a keyboard: alphabetic key, numeric, number key, and special key. So, what is alphabet key? Alphabet key have all the letters A to Z, but they are not in a order. Like A, B, C, D, they are not in that order. Now we have 26 alphabet. We can type letters, words, and sentences with the help of alphabet key. Then we have number keys. We have number keys, one at the top, another at the right side. So there are two sets. Each set has 10 number from 0 to 9. We can type number with these keys. We type in capital letter, we have to press caps lock. Then we have special keys like enter key. Enter key, it is used to move the cursor to the next line. It is also called written key, and there are two types of written key. Right? We have two types of enter key. Now we have space bar key, longest key. It gives space between two numbers, words or right, and it is the longest. Then we have caps lock key, which is used to write the words or letters in the capital letter. When you on it, you can write in caps lock. If you off it, you cannot write. Now, backspace key, which is used to erase letter and numbers. It erases anything which is typed to the left of the cursor, right? Now delete key, it is used to erase the letter, right? And unlike backspace, delete key, what it do, it's erase the data from the right side and backspace from the left side, right? This was all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.